Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is edrych, which means look. Edrych, as in edrych yma, look here. Edrych, look.